Hello, today I will show you how you can download the board resolution for renewal of CC limit. Just go on Google and type board resolution for renewal of CC limit. After that, just add Bizfoc and click enter. Click on the first link and this will be the page that will pop up. Just scroll down and you can check this format. It usually takes 15 to 20 minutes to update this information, but with Bizfoc, you can do it just within 2 minutes. Enter the required detail, company name, click next, enter meeting details, enter email and bank address, click next, add director name, designation and the number, for example Rahul, and click submit. You can see here one document already automatically downloaded. This is the required document you are looking for. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.